Hmm.
Hello everyone. Today me and my group discuss about custom car business. Next, first question in our mind rise that why people customize their car. So the answer is for a stronger performance because they need more horsepower and speed. Added protection when you get window tinting, they filter harsh light resulting in lower temperature and prevention of light damage that can fade the vehicle interior. Aesthetic. One of the biggest and more appeal reasons people customize their vehicle a boost in appearance for a more convenient drive. Next, so there are many steps to start a custom car business. We are discuss all in brief today. Plan your business from a legal entity, register for taxes, open a business bank account, hire a CPA, obtain necessary permits and license, get business insurance, define your brand, establish your web presence. So, the first step is plan your business. A crystal clear business plan is important for running any type of business. Jumping in head first without establishing a plan is a potential recipe for disaster. Keep this factor in mind as you are creating your business plan. First, startup and ongoing cost. Second, target market. Third, how long it will take you to break even. So, further information are given by my friend.
Startup and ongoing costs. Startup costs include air compressor, refrigerated evaporator system, jet cutter, dual action standard, standing blocks, marks and paint suits, cabinet and HV, HVL guns of different size, hydraulic lift, air tools, tools to stock box, machine tools, sets, parts washer, diagnostics machine, rebuilding counters, woodworking tools, fiber tools, electrical tools for CITRO, and complete body wiring. And ongoing costs include rent, insurance, labor, supplies, etc. Next, next is the formal legal entity. Establishing a legal business entity such as an LCC limited liability company prevents you from being personally liable if your custom car shop is sued. You should also consider using a registered agent service to help protect your privacy and stay compliant. Further information will be discussed by my friend Drew.
Register for taxes. You will need to register for a variety of state and federal tax before you can open for business. In order to register for tax, you will need to apply for an ENI. ENI means Employee Identification Number. It's a really easy entry. ENI is also known as Federal Tax Identification Number. Open a business bank account. Oh, business bank account is separate your personal assets from your company assets, or which is necessarily for personal assets protection. It also make accounting and tax filing easier. And if you also get a business credit card, this helps you separate personal and business expense by putting your business expenses all in one place. It also builds your company credit history, which can be useful to raise money and invest later on. Af- After after open a account, hire a CPA. A CPA is certified public accountant. Is someone who passed the CPA exam, met requirement related to work experience, and has committed to continue education to maintain their CPA certification. Hire a CPA will help you keep your finance in order and ensure you are paying the right amount of tax every year. CPA vary in price, so make sure you keep your budget in mind as you are shopping around for a CPA to hire.
Hello friends, we are discussing about necessary licenses and permits. in a custom car shop requires a lot of license and permit. If our license and permit are right, then we are not give, and then the government give not double, but if we are caught lacking of even one single license or permit, we can face is the heavy finance fines and even worse. And another requirement is to make a service contact. In a service contact, we need to make a agreement with the customer before starting a new project, and then get a business insurance. In the business insurance, there are the three types of business insurance: general liability, for the professional liability, and for the workers the compensation. In the general liability, there is a situation included like some injury to the some injury to the workers, their medical fees, and like this criteria is included in the general liability. In a professional liability, there is a problem included like if some customer is unsatisfied or harmed by the company's product, then he will case against the company. And then in that situation, the professional liability insurance will save company from that kind of situation. In worker compensation, if the company go in crisis, then the worker compensation insurance give the company to funds to give them to worker as a salary. Next, further information is given by the Dhruv Patel.
Define your brand. So first of all, what is a brand? A brand is a person gut feeling about product, service, and organization. Your brand is what your company stand for, as well as how your business is perceived by the public. A strong brand will help your business stand out from the competitor. The next is how to promote and market a custom car shop. This type of business is heavily dependent of the referral and promotion. Most custom car shop cater to automotive enthusiasts in a local community. Flyer and local ads may help, but ultimately, good service and quality of work will help in spread in our work. Our work. Next is the establish your presence. A business website allow the customer to learn more about your company and the product or services your offer. It's You can also use social media to attract the new clients and or customer. Thank you.